was so boring. I'm done with it. I've got something much better. Just look at her. She's so beautiful. La la la, taking out the trash. Huh? What's that? What are you doing in here? I can't believe someone would throw you away. Don't worry, I'll be your new mommy. What the? Okay, that's different. Where am I? What's going on? Wow, look at this place. Is that my doll? No, she's mine. Never mind, I've got a better doll now. Look at you, you're so dirty. We need to clean you up. Hold still. Huh? Aw, I've got a leak? I could use a shower. That feels so good. Don't worry, I've not forgotten about you. I just need to catch a few drops. That should do it. This'll get rid of that dirt. You'll be as good as new. Sometimes we all need a little pampering. Just make yourself comfortable. That is one tiny toothbrush. Steady. Open wide. You'll soon have a Hollywood smile. I'm gonna need sunglasses to look at you. Those teeth are sparkling. Now it's my turn. Ooh, that's so soothing. This is the life. Are you enjoying it? So what are we gonna do, Dolly? I think we need to fix your hair. It's a little boring. Don't worry, I know what to do. I'm an expert at styling hair. That was your fault. Let's try this again. You look like you've been dragged through a bush. This is so annoying! So good to see you, darling. I've got this. Whoa! It's for my doll. Okay. I'll need some specialist tools. Where are they? Aha! This is what I need. This might be tricky. Don't move. First I need a bowl. Then I'll add water. Now for a little food coloring. I'll mix it until it's combined. That looks good. Where's my client? I'll dip the doll's hair into the water. Is that temperature okay? What am I saying? You're a doll! I'll let the water soak into the hair. Next I'll squeeze the hair to remove any water. Now we need to dry your hair off. Wow, this color really suits you. It's so pretty. Are you done? Whoa! You look so different! Yeah, you still need to pay me. Oh, right. Do you take candy? This is why I don't work with kids. That felt amazing! I feel like a different person. Whoa! Look at that hair! Would you like a new look? When was the last time you used shampoo? What am I gonna do? Wait a minute. Maybe I can use this. It's worth a try. I'll place my doll on the table. Then I'll give her a haircut. Wow, you look good with short hair. The bald look isn't working for you. I'll sew the string through the doll's head, and I can use different colors. It'll give a more striking look. Now I'll cut off the excess string, and I'll reattach your head. Wow! I wish I had hair like that! You look amazing! I'm so jealous. And so is Ava. This chocolate spread is delicious. Try some. Oh no! I spilled it all over you! I'm so sorry. We'll need to change you. Luckily I have this case of spare outfits. I'm prepared for all situations. What do you think? It's cute, right? Come on, try it on. You're gonna love it. Whoa, you look amazing! You look good in any outfit, though. But you're so chic. You should be on a catwalk. Whoa! I'm speechless! And the cat as an accessory? Nice touch. How about something more casual? It's ideal for seeing the sights. Glamorous, but casual. Heading out with the girls? This outfit says you're ready to have fun. You'll be the life and soul of the party. You're working it, girl! Wow, look at all those clothes! It's better than my wardrobe. We should probably get you some new dresses. It's time for a shopping spree. Hide your shame! Oops, sorry. I don't know where to look. Relax, she's covered up. Hey, Ava. Psst. Can I borrow that? The sock. It's behind you. I just painted my nails! Please? I really need it. Fine. Take it. Ugh, it's so gross. Thanks. It'll do the job. First I need to cut off the toe of the sock. Just like this. Now I'll cut a small triangle on both sides. That looks good. Wanna try it on? Wow, it looks great! I wish I had a dress like that. Thanks, Ava! Huh? I can't hear you! Whatever. Yeah! Oh no! What have I done? Let me get that. I'm so sorry. Can you ever forgive me?
We're art experts, honey. Don't be alarmed. We heard about the shoe. I love the originality. The brushstrokes are unique. I've seen better, but still, it's okay.
I know you're impressed. How about you?
I'm not sure.
Excuse me?
Okay, I like it.
That's more like it. I want it to be perfect. I have an idea. I need a bowl of water and I'll add nail polish to it. I'll use different colors. I want this to look amazing. That should be enough. Now I'll dip the shoe into it. I'll move it around the water. I want it to pick up all the colors. Wow, look at that! My doll has custom shoes!
Whoa! Exquisite workmanship. The fashion houses in Milan would be jealous. We'll take it.
Huh? She dunked a shoe in nail varnish. If art is that easy, I want to try it. I just need to find a shoe. Come on, where is it? I'll have a look online. I can't afford any of these. Everything is so expensive. What am I gonna do? I know. I keep an emergency stash hidden away. I'm guessing the mice must have found it. Ugh, why does this always happen to me? Now what am I gonna do? Maybe there's some money under here. Ooh, a glue gun and pens. These will be useful. It's time to get creative. I'll start by slipping a balloon over the feet of my doll. This'll stop them getting messy. And they look like socks. I'll apply glue to the balloon. This is gonna be my mold. Next, I need a piece of foam. I'll draw the outline of a foot. Then I'll cut it out. Now I can color it in. I'm going to make a rainbow effect. I'll use different colors all the way up. Wow, that looks awesome! I'll apply glue to one side of the foam. Then I'll stick the glue mold to it. Wow! Homemade boots! But I'm not finished. I'll use correction fluid to color the glue. I'll make little white dots with the pen. These are so cool! And I did it all by myself. I hope my doll likes them. Let's try them on. They're the perfect fit! Wow, they're amazing! You look so fashionable!
You have a natural talent. Huh? Wow, look at that! Tell me I'm not hallucinating! We've discovered a genius!
Where are you going?
I need to see those boots!
Oh, hey!
Bravo! Your work is wonderful!
Thanks!
I've never seen anything like it.
Is this for me? Wait, you wanna buy the boots? They're not for sale. They're my dolls.
But we can make you famous!
I just want my doll to be happy.
Let's get out of here.
We look so cute. Wait, you're gonna need a phone of your own. I bought this for you. Now we can message each other. That was rude. You should be more grateful. Let's try this again. Just hold the brush. I need to find a way to fix it. Thanks, mysterious hands. This is a tough one. It's gonna take a lot of planning. My doll's hands are so small. Maybe if I… Oh! I can design a bag! This is gonna be great! Ugh, it looks awful! It's too boring and plain. I need to start over. Focus, Ava! I know I can do this! This is looking better already. It needs a chain strap. Wow, it's glorious! I should be a designer! I'm a genius! I need some gold foam. I'll cut it into a cross shape. Now I need to peel off the adhesive backing. I'll fold the edges up and press them together. Then I can fold the long section over. And I have a bag! All I need is the chain! Wow, I'd wear this! Here you go. It's just what you need. We can store all your things in it. There's so much room. You'll never be without your phone. Or your hairbrushes. Look, it holds them all. Wow, you look amazing! I need to get a picture of this. I'm definitely posting this one. Smile!
We're live! Do you have a message for your fans?
Oh, hi! Make sure to get my good side.
Huh? Out of the way, lady! I'm talking to the doll! Sorry about that.
Hey!
Can you get out of the shot?
This is so humiliating. What have I done? Now's my chance! I'll take this. This is exactly what I need. I need to be quick. I don't want Ava to notice. I'll start by cutting off this patch. I just love the colors. Now I need a zipper. I'll apply glue to either side. Then stick glittery foam to it. Next I need to shape it. I'll fold it like this, then stick it to a piece of card. I want to make sure it's secure. I'll put glue around the edges. I'm glad I've got a steady hand. That should be enough. Then I'll stick more foam to it. I don't want any gaps. I'll do the same on the opposite side. Now I'll cut the patch to the same shape. Then stick it to the foam. Next I need to put 2 small dabs of glue on top. Just like this. I'll stick a small piece of fabric to it. And on the side without the patch. My doll has a backpack. Here you go. This is for all your goodies. Wow, I wish I looked like you. Can we speed this up? Where did Annie get that bag? Looking good. Oh, thanks. It's cute, right? I really like it. Wait. Is that my dress? What? No, there's no dress here. We'll talk later. If you want to give your doll a makeover, you don't need a lot of money. Just a little creativity. What was your favorite craft? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, and remember to subscribe to our channel for more useful videos just like this one.